Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. Christmas is now only 4 days away, and I don't know how you're feeling, but personally I'm feeling like the holidays can't come soon enough. I'm on my last legs here. It's been a really long year. I mean, to be honest, since COVID started, it's been 2 very long years. I'm reaching the end of my tether. I've had to cancel a lot of my plans to socialise over the Christmas period because of the new wave of COVID that's hitting London. I've spent far too much time this year sitting in front of a computer. We've had building work going on in the house, and basically I'm ready for a holiday. I knock off on Thursday evening. I stop working on Thursday evening, and to be honest, I'm dragging myself through to the end of the week, at which point I get 10 well-deserved days off work. If you say that you're dragging yourself somewhere, the idea is you're pulling yourself with great effort to somewhere that's difficult for you to reach. Maybe because you don't want to go to that place, or you don't want to leave the place that you're in. So you might say things like, on these cold winter mornings, I find it a real struggle to drag myself out of bed. You might be telling a story where you talk about having to drag yourself out of bed, drag yourself downstairs to make a cup of coffee, and then drag yourself off to work. Maybe in January, when you're trying to get fit after all the excesses of Christmas and the New Year, you might decide that you have to start dragging yourself off to the gym. Maybe if you're lucky enough to be able to socialise this Christmas, you might find it hard to drag yourself away from the party, or drag yourself away from the pub or the bar where all your friends are. And if you have children, you'll know that feeling of having to drag your kids out of bed or drag your kids into the shower. If you have enjoyed this video, please click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps other people find out more about what we're doing here. Please do share the video with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And if you feel like it, in the comments section, we'd love to see examples of times when you've had to drag yourself to a place or out of a place or away from a place, or times when you've had to drag someone else somewhere.